Hi, it's so great to see you back on my channel. I'm Kay, thank you so much for joining. And today I want to review a new style by Amore, which is called Farren, and I have it in the color Marble Brown R, which is not a new color. If you're interested in seeing Farren in a new color, I have a review of all three new styles by Amore on my channel, and there I show Farren in Blonde R. Marble brown is such a gorgeous color. I will talk about the color in a minute, but let's look at the cap construction. This is a 100% hand-tied cap. So that means you have no covered wefts that you sometimes can have on a hand-tied cap at the back. This is not the case here. You have all a hand-tied cap. So, and this feels incredibly soft. This material is gorgeous. Now, the Amore line is catered towards people with hair loss, so it caters towards comfort a lot, and this certainly does. It's really soft, this cap. You have a mono top, which again feels quite soft, obviously not as soft as the material here, but I think it's soft enough. The mono top means you can part it wherever you like in this section, so you can have a middle part and any side part you like. You have an extended lace front, so that runs into the ear tabs, gives you that really natural hairline, so you can have a pulled back look and it still looks like hair's growing from your scalp. And then you have velvet covered ear tabs. Gosh, they feel soft. Much softer than other felt covered ones that I felt. You have I think it's either silicone or polyurethane ear tabs here, and you can remove them so very easily if you don't like them. They are really useful if you don't have hair. It kind of clings to your skin really nicely. It's anti-slip, so it kind of sticks to your skin really nicely. If you have hair like me, I still find it quite useful. I still find it feels quite safe on, but you can use some glue if you wanted to here easily. You have a velvet covered extended nape. Again, it feels lovely, really nice, soft. And then you have these silicone or polyurethane strips here, not all across, but just on the sides, which is lovely. So again, it helps that it stays in place better. And what I like about this cap is that it's really quite stretchy. Not all hand-tied caps have that. It hugs your head really quite nicely from my experience from my other Farren that I had. Here it is. Let's put it on. Let me not play with it too much. This is it, straight out of the box. So let's talk about the fit straight away, straight out of the box. My circumference with the hair growth and the wig grip is probably around the 21.75-ish. Straight out of the box, it fits nice and snug. A lovely feeling. However, I like to wear my wigs quite loose. So even though it's nice and comfy, I just like to wear mine less snug. So I like to move mine out a little bit. There is lots of room to tighten here. There is still a little bit of room to widen it. Because it is so nice and stretchy, it just feels like it really hugs my head nicely. There is hardly any gapping. I do think it would fit a 22-inch, maybe slightly above. I think so, because there is a little bit more of cap left, so to speak, and it is a stretchy cap and there is room to widen it a little bit. But please check that with Aderans Trendco to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. And I'll put the link down below to this piece. And as I said, if you have a small circumference than mine, there's lots of room to tighten it. So let's look at the lace front on this quite dark color. Ooh, I think that looks really good. I think the knots are a little bit visible. But I like the density here at the front. This is what a natural hairline would look like. Not dense, almost like a little bit sparse. But then you have the lighter pieces here as well to help with the knotting issue here. Really good. So the ear tabs on me finish here. So the cap doesn't sit on my ears, but it's quite close to it. So normally ear tabs fall a little bit lower on me, just a little bit, not much. But I'm glad they don't come much lower because I think that would definitely sit then on my ears. But I like how slim they are. So let's look at the ear tug here. Really lovely. Transition into the ear tabs from that lace front. I think it's, I can't even see that transition. I really have to look. I can't see it. So it would happen. Let me have a look here. So I can't see it. So let's look at the part. So as I said, mono top, can part it wherever you like. I have dark hair underneath it, so you might not see how good this mono top is. I like a sparse top. I think to me that looks very natural. I think it makes a part look like a real parting. But I do know people who don't like sparse tops and don't think it's natural. They think something looks wrong with the wig, if it is. But we are all different, right? So that's why we watch reviews so we can see what things look like. We can then decide from there if this is for us or not. So I think it's natural. It can look sparse to some people. To me, this looks completely natural. But I want to show you this so you can make up your own mind. You can decide, obviously, if this is right for you or not. Let me now show it to you that I have changed the part to my liking and combed it through. Let's talk about Farren in a little bit more detail. So what you have is, now on me it's about an inch longer than my chin. Now I do have a long face and a long neck. Wigs look shorter on me. So that's why I always, or at least I try to put in the dimensions so you can measure where it would fall on you. So on me it's about shoulder length, but it has a lot of layers in here. Would I call it a wavy wig? Maybe, just about. There is some wave in here, some textured layers. I don't think this looks like you stepped out of a salon. I think this looks like your natural hair that you air dried, and your hair doesn't dry straight or curly. It just has this wave in it. And that's, I think, what comes across. And to me, that makes this a really natural looking, realistic looking wig. The movement of the fibers is fantastic. These are heat-friendly fibers. They feel incredibly soft. Love how they feel. I have Maud by Amore, which is another one of the 3 new styles. So again, if you're interested in that, I will put a picture of Maud here so you get an idea if you haven't seen it before. Lovely longer style. And it's longer and a little bit more wavy. And I'm impressed with how little tangling there is. So I have worn it 3 or 4 times for about 8 hours a day, and very little tangling, very little frizz. I don't know if it's just a piece I have, but I just want to tell you my experience with these fibers. Now, if they are the same fibers and this is a shorter piece, I think this would just be lovely to wear and not having to care for too much, because as I said, it didn't really tangle that much or frizz. So you have, as I said, some layers here, and some textured layers with some waves. And if you've seen my review of Farren in Bronze I talked about that there was a longer piece that made it look like shorter here and slightly longer here. So I can't really see that here. However, I have seen that appearing on somebody else's review of Farren as well. But I haven't seen it on other people's reviews of Farren. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I don't know if it's because the way you part it, the way it was made, I don't know. So just something I want to tell you about. So if you get one where one side is slightly longer than the other, maybe this side here is slightly longer. I don't know. It's not as obvious, at least on this one, than it is on the other. So let me know what you experience. If you have one and you think, yeah, I have this longer piece. I do think maybe it is meant to be, because looking at it now, maybe this side is slightly longer. I'm not sure. So tell me what you think. So put your comments down below. Anyway, let's move on. In terms of density, now this is a hand-tied cap. There is no permatease here. You have layers, and these layers are textured with a wave kind of idea, and therefore I think it's not the lowest of density that I have experienced. I would say this is the higher end of low density. So we talked about the fibers. These are heat-friendly fibers. So if you want to straighten this out, add a curl wave to it, you can do all of that. Let's talk about this color. This is Marble Brown R. I love Marble Brown R. I prefer Marble Brown R to Marble Brown because with R you get the root, which I prefer. If you don't have the root, you get these kind of highlights that you have here all the way to the roots, so to speak. And to me that can look not quite as natural as I personally like on me. But that's just a personal preference. I know a lot of people who don't like roots, who like that look. Again, that's why you can get Marble Brown and you can get Marble Brown R. But you can't get it in every style. So certain styles you can only get Marble Brown, other styles you can only get Marble Brown R. So just so you know. Let's look at this color. It's a blend of a warm dark brown, and then you have medium gold blonde or like honey brown highlights. It's not too over the top with the highlights. It's very natural. It's a bit of a sun-kissed look. Gorgeous. So here's the color outside. So hopefully that will give you a good idea of what this color looks like outside in the natural light. Indoors, I have a ring light on, but only on a very low setting. So let's talk about styling. You can just about have a low pony. Now you do have a few layers, so I do think they will fall out throughout the day, which, you know, I think like this is cute, but if you don't want that, you can just put some clips in, but you can get it off your neck. Let's look at half up, half down. Again, very cute. You have this kind of front layer, again, that will not quite go all the way back, but it's a very cute look. You can have a headband just like so. Pull it all back. I still would pull some front bits out because I just like the slightly messier look. You can tuck it. So I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please like and subscribe. And thank you to Aderans Trendco for sending me this piece so I can review it for you. Don't forget to use my code K20 for an amazing 20% off, and Aderans Trendco does ship worldwide. Link is down below in the description box. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. Have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.